G'day and welcome to DTOY Racing. We just had the latest race car wiring project delivered yesterday, so let's go have a look. Here it is, another VE Commodore for me. As I said before, it was delivered yesterday. Rolled it in here, got it up on stand so it's at a nice height for me to work on it. It's been freshly painted, this one, in a very neutral grey colour. It's got all the bits and pieces in there that I need to work on, and this is what I really like. No panels to deal with, or glass. Makes it so easy to do the job. This particular car is owned by the guys from Ultra 9. They have commissioned me to do all the wiring and make sure it all works for them. We're going to get in and get this done as quick as we can. Obviously still built to the quality that I demand of myself, and then it'll be going back to them to finish off. I'm going to take you through my part of the build for this particular vehicle. At the moment there's some parts mounted up already. The guys did that for me, all part of the prior planning. You can see that there's already connectors and fuse blocks, etc. mounted in various locations. That's just going to make it a little easier and faster for me to get this job done. Let's get stuck into it.